Have you ever wondered if artificial intelligence could be the key to unlocking your financial freedom? Today, we are exploring exactly that. How AI is transforming the world of wealth building, from stock trading bots to automated side hustles that could help you earn more in the year 2025 and beyond. Whether you are curious about crypto markets, day trading, or just looking for a cutting-edge way to grow your savings, this conversation could spark new possibilities. Let's start with one of the most obvious trends: AI-powered stock trading. High-frequency trading algorithms have been around for years, but the latest wave of machine learning tools take things further. Imagine an AI that doesn't just exploit tiny price discrepancies in milliseconds, but also absorbs massive data sets like global news feeds, social media sentiment, even weather patterns to predict how certain stocks or sectors might move. This isn't science fiction anymore. Hedge funds already use advanced models that can detect mood swings in the market, rotating portfolios accordingly before human traders spot the shift. Meanwhile, retail investors can subscribe to AI-driven signals or robo-advisors that manage entire portfolios. The promise is efficiency, speed, and a semblance of objectivity. The AI doesn't panic sell because it feels anxious. But it's worth noting that no model is foolproof. If multiple AIs converge on the same trade at once, you can get wild volatility or flash crashes. So while AI might help you score wins, it's not an instant ticket to easy money. Then there's the crypto realm, which remains a frontier for AI innovation. Crypto markets never sleep and can swing dramatically on a single tweet. Many people have turned to AI-driven bots that automatically buy or sell coins based on deep learning forecasts. These bots can watch hundreds of tokens at once, spotting patterns that skip human notice. Some incorporate sentiment analysis from Twitter, Telegram groups, or forum chatter, anticipating hype or fear. Gains can be spectacular if you catch a coin right before it rockets up. But be cautious. Crypto remains notoriously unpredictable, and an algorithm can't always predict black swan events, like an exchange hack or sudden regulatory clampdowns. Still, if you research a reputable AI crypto bot with transparent track records, it may outpace a purely emotional approach to trading. Beyond markets, AI is also empowering regular folks to start automated side hustles. Think e-commerce stores that auto-optimize product listings, prices, and ad placements around the clock. Tools like AI copywriters, for example, can generate marketing copy or product descriptions at scale, freeing you to manage strategy rather than typing endless blurbs. Some users have taken it further, training AI to handle customer service or chat-based upselling on their websites. If done ethically, this can expand your capacity to serve customers without losing personalization. Just remember the risk. The AI might generate off-brand or awkward replies if it's not trained carefully. You'll want to keep an eye on the system to ensure it doesn't sabotage your customer experience. Another interesting angle is how AI might help in real estate or property management. Some advanced platforms can predict which neighborhoods might appreciate fastest, factoring in everything from local job data to average commute times. Others can automate tasks for landlords, like screening tenants or adjusting rental prices based on demand. For short-term rentals, AI can manage dynamic pricing, raising your Airbnb rate during peak events, lowering it on off-peak seasons to keep occupancy high. The net result? You might boost returns while spending less time micromanaging spreadsheets or scanning local rental listings. As we head into 2025, the biggest challenge may be picking the right AI tool, since so many are popping up. Look for ones with transparent methods, robust data sources, and a support system in case something malfunctions. One can't forget the overarching question of risk. AI excels at analyzing historical data, but past performance doesn't guarantee future outcomes, especially if an unforeseen global crisis hits. Over-reliance on a black box algorithm can lead to catastrophic losses if it encounters scenarios outside its training scope. That means a wise approach pairs AI's analytical might with human oversight. If you are jumping into, say, an AI stock or crypto bot, keep your own judgment in the loop. Understand the basic logic behind the model and set fail-safes like stop-loss orders or circuit breakers that suspend trading if losses exceed a certain threshold. Because yes, AI might unlock massive gains, but it can also intensify volatility if it misreads signals. Looking ahead, many experts see AI continuing to reshape personal finance. On the consumer side, we could see AI-based budgeting apps that not only track your spending, but also predict future expenses, prompting you to save or invest proactively. Could this combination of advanced forecasting and personalized nudges help everyday users build wealth without needing an expensive financial advisor? Possibly. Meanwhile, in more sophisticated circles, we might see AI analytics that fuse genetic data, personal behavior, and macroeconomic factors, offering hyper-tailored investment strategies. That might sound futuristic, but the seeds are here already. Some fintech startups are quietly prototyping these next-gen solutions. If you are excited or nervous about the idea of AI guiding your financial decisions, you are not alone. Many see it as an empowering tool that democratizes wealth building by granting retail investors access to insights once reserved for big institutions. Others fear it cements inequality, because only those who can afford the best AI frameworks can truly outpace the competition. That duality will likely define the next few years. We might see both an expansion of opportunity and a concentration of power. It'll depend on how accessible these AI solutions become and whether regulation ensures they remain fair. So is building wealth with AI a realistic plan or just another buzzword-laden dream? The answer is probably both. AI can accelerate your path to profit if you wield it sensibly. Treat it as a companion rather than an infallible oracle, and remain vigilant about the inherent risks. The best strategy might be layering AI-driven insights atop your own marketing knowledge, plus some healthy skepticism. The biggest mistakes often arise when people trust an algorithm blindly or push it beyond what it's designed for. What's your stance? Do you see AI as the future of trading and financial management, or are you wary that it could wreak havoc on markets and maybe your bank account if it glitches? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, please hit that like button so we can keep digging deeper into the AI revolution. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve, whether it's in stocks, crypto, or automated side hustles, subscribe to this channel and share with a friend. Because in 2025, knowledge and AI might just be the ultimate power combo for those looking to build real wealth and break free from the old financial norms.